Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a different kind of a video day. I'm going to be doing a review on this online shopping website called Shein. Now most of you must have heard about this website. So if not, Shein.in or Shein.com is an online shopping website which is exclusively for women. They do sell dresses, innerwears, bags, shoes, accessories exclusively for women. So they were so generous enough to send me 2 dresses, and yes, I'm here about to do a review on those dresses. So this is the first one. This is a beautiful red maxi gown. You can just wear it for parties. It will be very fine. Now the material of this gown is synthetic. The top part of this dress is of lace material. As you can see, the hands is with just a single piece of a lace material, and it's also see-through, which makes it more elegant and pretty. The neck piece is kind of odd for me. I don't prefer these kind of closed neck with odd variety or design, as you can see here, but luckily I was able to hide it with my hair. And this also has like a beautiful button at the back, which you can adjust, just one button. And also on the top part, on the side, just on the one side, you'll be having like a small zipper which you can actually adjust, so that like when you are wearing it, you can remove it and you can wear, and then after wearing, you can just pull it off, so that it just holds the shape good for you. And talking about the circumference of the skirt, it's really very big, you guys, and it's of so flirty, and you can just twirl all day long. It's so beautiful. And you also have like 3 shades of these dresses, 3 color varieties: black, maroon and red, I think so. All the links of the dresses will be in the description box below, and also the link to the site will be in the description box, so you can definitely check it out. So this one is my personal favorite out of those 2 dresses. And yes, now what else do I have to say about this dress? I think that's it. You can definitely wear it to party, and definitely you have to iron, guys. I just wore over this like that, which made it a bit odd. So yes, definitely do iron these dresses before wearing them. So the next one is this beautiful floral maxi dress. Now this is a normal maxi dress with no big circumference space on the skirt. It's like a normal casual maxi dress, you can say. You can wear this to beaches. It will be super cool with a high bun or like a waves on your hair, and definitely pair this up with loop, you guys. So yes, this is the second dress. Now this one is kind of like a synthetic plus bunion cloth of kind. Again, you have to iron this dress as well. On the hip, you will be having like a good elastic which holds your hip area for shape. And also you do have buttons which you can remove and adjust, or while wearing it will be very convenient with these button thing. I'll also be showing like how you can get into the site and put these stuffs into your bag. I mean, you can shop directly. So yes, now this is the link, and once you hit the link in Chrome, you'll be taken to this page. From this page you can log in, or if you already have an account in the site, you can just log in, or you can sign up for their page. It's of free, and you do have these kind of categories like for plus sizes, and for all you do have like all size varieties, and they do have shoes, wedges, bags, accessories, and all those sort of women things. So this is of a very good site, basically with really good quality. So I'll just show you like how to put things into your bag and proceed with shopping. I'm just randomly selecting a dress, and I found the dress that I selected. This one is the second dress. I'll also be having sizes. If you don't know about your sizes, you can check the size chart, and you can measure yourself and figure out like what's your size. So you can also save this to your wish list, and you can purchase it later, or you can directly put this onto your the bag. They do have like this normal original picture of clients. You can definitely check it out, like how it looks in natural light and all those stuffs. So once after that, you can put it in your bag, and yes, you can check it out. Like you can give all those address details over here, and you'll be fine. And the delivery takes around 15 to 20 days, which is completely normal. price range is also fine. So for more pictures, please do follow me on Instagram, and I hope you all like this video. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more videos. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll answer them as much as possible. See you all in my next one. Bye.